For this project you will need some stretchable fabric. I'm going to use a 4-way stretch polyester. The fold-over elastic, the elastic for the straps, the threads which are matching your fabric and the elastic, the rings and the sliders, and my rings and sliders are 10 mm, the same as my elastic, the needles to pin the fabric, the lighter, the scissors, the piece of chalk to outline the pattern, and the pattern you'll find the link in the description box below. Fold your fabric in half. On top of the fold, place the pattern. Outline everything with the piece of chalk and after cut it off. And don't forget to put the marks for the straps. Grab the fold-over elastic and sew it on here. This is the fold-over elastic, and you see this line in the middle? This is the fold place of the elastic. Now grab the fabric and place the fabric in the middle of the elastic. Fold the elastic this way and after sew here. When you sew, you don't stretch the fabric, you stretch a little bit only the elastic. When you finish to sew on the elastic, it should look this way. Do the same on the other side. On top of the front element, place the mesh element and pin it together. Then grab the back element and face to face place it on top. Repin all the layers together. After, grab the second layer of the front element and with the face down place it on top. Align and repin all the layers together. Roll the mesh element exactly the same way like you see me doing here. Then place the front elements face to each other and pin it with the needles in this place here. Now go to your overlocker or sewing machine and sew here and here. Grab the scissors and cut off the threads. And if some fabric is coming out, like here, don't be afraid to trim this place. Pin the mesh fabric and the front elements together. Now grab the fold-over elastic again and sew it on here, here, and here, everywhere around up to this place. In this place here and here, keep the free space of the elastic, I'll say around 2-3 centimeters, so we can sew on the straps later. Fold the elastic this way and start to sew without any fabric inside. Then grab the fabric and place it in the middle of the elastic. And carry on sewing. This is what I meant by saying keep the free space of the elastic. Now it's time to prepare the straps, and I'm going to show you 2 different ways how to make them. For the first one, you will need to have the elastic minus 10 millimeters and the fabric strap. Mine is 5 centimeters. Fold the fabric strap in half. Then place the elastic on top and sew it on with the settings you can see on the screen. When you sew, you don't stretch the fabric and you don't stretch the elastic. When you finish to sew, it should look this way. Grab the scissors and cut off the excess of the fabric. After, grab the lighter and burn this place. After, open the elastic this way and make a small hole exactly the same way like you see me doing here. Grab the safety pin and put this pin inside of the hole. And turn the strap on the opposite side. Grab the scissors and make the clean edges. And this is what I have so far. Next, I'm going to show you how to make a second strap. For this, you will need to have the elastic for the straps, the rings and the sliders, and the ruler. Place your ruler here and look the amount of the centimeters according to your pattern. Then grab the elastic and cut 2 straps. And by the way, when you measure, do not stretch the elastic. Grab the lighter and burn the ends of the elastic. Grab the slider and put the elastic inside. Do the same with the other strap. Go to your sewing machine and sew here. When you start to sew, make sure that there is no any metal object like a slider under your needle. Grab the ring and put the elastic inside of the ring. Take the same end of the elastic and put it inside of the slider. Do the same with the other strap. Now grab the strap and put the elastic of the top inside of the ring. Pin it with the needle. Do the same with all of them. Turn the top on the opposite side. And place the strap on the marks. Pin it with the needle. Do the same with all of them. Go to your sewing machine and sew everywhere where you have the needles. Here, here, and here. Cut off the leftover of the elastic. Then grab the lighter and eliminate the leftover of the threads and the fluffiness of the elastic. This pattern can be the ultimate solution for your wardrobe. You can use it as a top for your gym workouts, and if you add the bottom, then it will become a perfect swimwear set.